Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Paul Chamberlain, the Air Force guy, RV extraordinaire. Coming in today, I'm going to be showing you the plant tour at NuCamp factory that I did a few weeks ago. And this is of the Tab 320 line. It was pretty amazing how they had all the different lines set up, and everything is so synchronized. So let's get on to the exciting part. Now below this Darko is Asdale, and you're going to notice also on the inside is also Asdale. That way there, Asdale does not absorb water. The next thing you're going to notice how this elevator is going back up. So this gentleman right here took the already set to sit inside of the Tab 320. You can see how easy. Everything's built up above, and they're able to just drop it right down here and keep this assembly line moving. You're going to notice also the walls are set to the side here, and they're able to take them once they get it to that point and be able to put it on here. So once they flip the axle and they start putting things on here, as you can see, that's when you're going to go ahead and they're going to go ahead and put the flooring. The cabinets come in. You see they already had one wall. They're getting ready to bring this other wall over here and put it on here. So let me just show you how this process. The walls are pretty lightweight. And then what they'll do is they'll have two people just lift it and put it right on. Look at how easy that goes on. So there you see now they're getting the walls, they're getting things attached to the side walls. Now, as we talked about, they're using Asdale in the sidewall, and that is what is adhered to the fiberglass, and that lessens the chance of even having any sidewall delamination. So as we're moving down the line, they're going to start putting cabinets in. So now you kind of get an idea of what is behind your unit. This is what you're looking at. You're getting a sneak peek into the Tab 320, everything going together. So this is the front part, as you can see, getting all the plumbing. They're doing the plumbing tests on there. Now let's take a look around the back. So on the back side, you can see now they're starting to put the upper cabinets in here. They're going to have the Aldi system that's in here as well, getting everything hooked up for you, getting everything run. And of course, you're going to notice also they're going to come out, they're going to have new, different styles that you can get, different colors. Everything just keeps going together as we move down the line. So for your Aldi system, for the heat, what you're going to notice is you have your system right here. This is what's going to run the heat. You're going to be feeling the heat through your camper, and you're going to have it also up underneath the bench on the left and right side. That will be plenty enough to heat your unit. Just kind of give you a sneak peek. So you see the roof material is right here. So they're going to be taking that piece. That's what's going to be going on next when they move it. Notice how they have everything down the line. So they're going to take that roof panel. It's going to set right on here. Once they do that and they get it secured, then it's the one-piece aluminum roof. They're just going to wheel and put right over top of it. And that's how the finish is. Once they get that on, then they're going to be starting to put the trim going right around the edge. So as we come to the next station, what they're going to start doing is they're going to start using sealant to go ahead and go up around your trim pieces here. Once that is done, then as you can see, you come down to the next station, and this is where they're going to be putting the molding on here. So you see they do the whole thing. They're going to. So as you can see, now it's coming together. Now this is the new Boondock Edge Edition. And look at that light bar up on top there. Not only is it going to have that light bar up there, they're not going to put the spare tire in the back. It's actually going to be mounted up in the front, right in front of your propane tank there. And what's going to happen is, on the back, let's show you what's back here. You have your rack system, but look at the lights you have off the back. Pretty sweet, isn't it? So So that's what you've got there. So as you can see now, they're getting pretty well complete here. They're just doing the last minor touch-ups in here. You see how everything's looking? Got the fan, the TV working, stereo, and the kitchen. So things are coming together. So now that they've come to this part of it, what they're going to do is they got it lashed in the front. You can see there's like a hoist. They've got things, everything's pretty much together here on the inside. And they've got a lift on the back side. They put that on the stabilizers. And they're going to lift this thing so they go ahead and finish up all the little things on the underside of the Tab 320. So now you can see what it looks like on the back of the new Boondock Edge series. They got the rack on there with the lights. And one thing that they do here is when you look up here, see how they have this timer right up here? And what that does is they have a certain amount of time at each station to get their job complete. And once they do that, they're able to go to the next station. So there you have it. The Tab 320, pretty impressive if I do so say myself. The other unique thing, as you saw as we went down the line, is the different colors. You don't have to stay within the norm, so if there's some in particular color that you'd like to have to match your vehicle, they can make that happen for you. So thanks for watching, and we'll be coming back at you again soon. Take care.